Hey everybody! So today I've got a very exciting video. I will be going through one of my duplicate boxes. So I've got this crate where I keep all my double figures that don't fit on the shelves because I'm trying to save shelf space now that my collection's been growing a lot. So this crate in particular has a lot of Kenner and Mattel figures as well as some Hasbro. So let's get right into it. So right off the bat you see Parasaurolophus from the Lost World. This one has a running feature and a very beautiful design and color. Its pose is absolutely perfect. By far one of the best figures that they released. We've got Jurassic Park Kenner 1993 Dilophosaurus. Its electronics don't work, it doesn't have its frill, but it's in pretty decent condition. It's got some fading though on one side. Mattel Gallimimus. A really nice figure to have in bulk for a flock. The Lost World Chasmosaurus. It's still got working electronics. The nose horn though is broken. It's also a pretty cool figure. I have 3 of it, so I use it for photography. Here's another one, also working electronics. Original Jurassic Park Triceratops. When you squeeze it, its head's supposed to go up, but this one's broken, so its head goes down. And it's missing its dino damage, but it's a really large and rubbery figure. Got the Lost World Pachycephalosaurus. When you press on this little side button, its head rams down, and it's a decent size, very comparative to Mattel's Pachycephalosaurus. And then a very cool, I think Synapsid Dimetrodon from the first Jurassic Park toy line. Beautiful color scheme, and when you press on its broken leg, its jaws open. I've got a few of these guys too. I've also got the original Jurassic Park Pterodactyl. There's a little button on its back to flap its wings, and it's got a very cool blue and gray color. And you press on its head, its jaws open. These two are pretty cool. I think they're called sprinters. So they're coelophysis, and their bodies actually can twist around. They've got a little metal rod inside, so you can wrap them around figures or pose them however you want. And they're really cool to have in packs. So these ones are from 1993. Mattel Gallimimus from the first wave. Mattel Quetzalcoatlus, very beautiful figure with like the purples and the blues, and 2 attack features. This one's from I think Dinorivals 2019 Mattel. It's a very cool addition to the Jurassic Park toy line, or Jurassic World toy line. Very dirty Stegosaurus. I tried washing it. I don't know if this is like oil or something. But it's a very beautiful figure. It's got like a kind of giraffe-like color pattern on it. The plates are inaccurate. The head's pretty derpy looking, but it's very characteristic. Very nice for the first Kenner lineup. Dinorivals Proceratops in purple. Dr. Grant figure. I've got a few of these. They're pretty common. I hit a lot of toy shows, flea markets, and thrift stores, so I find all these figures there. A very dirty Jurassic Park 1993 squirting Dilophosaurus. So there's a hole inside of its mouth, and you can fill it with water and then squeeze it. It's kind of rubbery and squishy, and it squirts water. So it's pretty cool. Got a few of those as well. And then Stegosaurus from the Lost World. A very beautiful figure like the Parasaurolophus. It's movie accurate. Its tail's missing. It kind of turned to goo, which is weird, and so I just kind of pulled it off because it was sticking to everything and leaving residue marks. And yeah, it has dino damage on the side. So that one's from the Lost World, 1997. Destructosaurus cage. Destructosaurus Dilophosaurus. Kind of looks like an albino because it's got the pink eyes and the pink frill with a kind of whitish hue. Destructosaurus Pteranodon. It's kind of yellowy browny with some gold on the face and head. And these figures have magnets in their mouths so they can hook onto the cages and pull them off. I believe this one's 2000 and something dinosaurs line. Young T-Rex, it came with like a hunter with a bow and some dino damage and some gear. Yeah, this one is not really rubbery. It's sort of rubbery, but it's also very hard compared to the Jurassic Park Young Rex from the first lineup. Very interesting color. The eyes are pretty scary. They've got some black over them. Repainted the Lost World Thrasher Raptor, so you grab its tail and its head thrashes. It's called a Cyclops because it's only got one eye. This one's scratched out. And then I just kind of filled in all this. The scratches aren't originally painted. I painted them red. It also has some bite marks from, like, I guess a dog, because I bought this missing an arm and had some extra scratches in it. This is Hasbro's T-Rex playset net launcher. Kind of reminiscent of the Kenner one, but very small. No base to it, so it just is on the ground. Hasbro T-Rex. Holy cow. Its jaw's open, its head goes up and down. Screw holes, blah blah blah. We've got a broken Mattel Carnotaurus, so its head bops. I think there's a little bit of plastic inside that keeps the mouth open until it gets to a certain point and then it closes. And so a lot of the time that breaks and you're just left with a bopping Carno. But it's good to customize, and I think you can actually like keep it in a certain position, which is cool. People online do that, I'm not sure how. But I might experiment with this in the future. We've got Mattel Pteranodon, very beautiful movie accurate colors. It's basically screams Jurassic World Pteranodon. It's a nice figure to have multiple of. Roland Tembo with dinosaur skin over him from The Lost World 1997. 1993, Robert Morodune. Ooh, this one's pretty cool. This is Mattel Dimorphodon. Again, movie accurate. Very good figure to have in flux. I think if you're collecting the complete Mattel lineup, you can't escape having 3 of them because you can get it on its own. It comes in a, I think a 2-pack, Kohl's exclusive. It comes with the Jeep. It also comes in a slime set. We've got Young T-Rex from 1997, The Lost World. It's missing its leg. I think the leg might be in there. It's a very nice figure. 2019 Dinorivals Dracorex. Very beautiful color scheme on that guy. Hasbro 1990, no sorry, not 1990, 2005 Pteranodon. Not beautiful at all, it's pretty ugly. It's got dino damage on the stomach, you squeeze its legs and its head and wings flap. Oh wait, let's quickly compare the two, look at that. Okay, what else do we got? We got Lost World, Nick Van Owen. This is hatless version, so he comes with a hat, and this one does not, so it's a variant. Lost World, yeah, Lost World Ian Malcolm figure. That one's also 1997. This is 2015 Pteranodon Helicopter. You can press on the front, the rotors, and then the front bursts open. It also shoots a missile. Gyrosphere from the 2015 Jurassic World Hasbro set. Oh, this isn't Jurassic Park. This is Aliens. Kenner Aliens. Got Kenner Ellie from the first Jurassic Park toy line, 1993. Also from the same line, we got Dennis Nedry. I think this figure, its arms come off? Yeah. So you can pull its arms off. This is part of the STEM, I think. STEM kits, STEM playsets. So you build dinosaur skeletons. They were released in 2018. So there's a Stygimoloch head. I bought a few of them to customize. Eddie Carr, I think? The Lost World, 1997. Jurassic Park 3, Baby T-Rex by Hasbro. 2 more babies from that lineup. Textron Tiger, remote control. I got this at a thrift store, so it didn't come with a remote control. It's a pretty cool vehicle to have multiple of because you can recreate scenes and stuff. 2018 Mattel Green Raptor from the first lineup. Hasbro's Jurassic World Stegosaurus. It would be cool to see Mattel make some hybrids. Oh, also this has an action feature. You press on the tail and its head goes forward. Another battle damaged Gallimimus. Again, great for flocks. Kenner's 1993 Velociraptor with very cool head attack. You squish your legs together and its head thrashes forward and bites. Beautiful figure. Love the sculpt. Same with this one. This one's the Lost World Raptor with attack. You squish your legs. And a very nice paint job on that guy. This is the net from Mattel's, no, not Mattel's, Hasbro's Jurassic World net launcher. Another baby from Jurassic Park 3. Very faded Grant from 1993. Tim Murphy, also from the first Jurassic Park lineup. Oh, did this guy come in? Oh, I think this... I know it's based off Jurassic Park 1994. It's a second wave, second toy line for the first movie. But this might be from like a multi-pack released later on. Not sure. Another Mattel Wave 1 figure, Mercenary. Stem kit Triceratops head. Battle damage mini, not blind bag, but he comes in a big set, or she comes in a big set, Stegosaurus. I think Walmart exclusive. Oh, and here's the leg to the baby T-Rex. This is 2000 and I think 9 or 13 Jurassic World Hasbro Baby Raptor. JP3 2001 Grant. And then the Mercenaries gear with the electrical prod and the Dimorphodon. And then some things that don't fit in the crate. This is the Lost World Cruiser or something from 1997. I got another mosasaurus, so I got this when it came out. And then I got another one in the Quest for the Indominus Rex set. And then, of course, the submarine. So yeah, that is not all my doubles, but all the doubles from my Jurassic Park crate. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and leave a comment if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and bye.